cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I cut my arm bleeding. This is my last resort. Cut my life into pieces. I reach my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck if I cut my arm bleeding. Do you even care if I die bleeding? Would it be wrong? Would it be right? If I took my life tonight, chances are that I might. Mutilation out of sight, and I'm contemplating suicide. Cause I'm losing my sight, losing my mind. Wish somebody would tell me I'm fine. Losing my sight, losing my mind. Wish somebody would tell me I'm fine. I never realized I was spread too thin, till it was too late and I was empty within. Hungry, feeding on chaos and living in sin. Downward spiral, where do I begin? It all started when I lost my mother. No love for myself and no love for another. Searching to find a love upon a higher level. Finding nothing but questions and devils. Cause I'm losing my sight, losing my mind. Wish somebody would tell me I'm fine. Losing my sight, losing my mind. Wish somebody would tell me I'm fine. Nothing's alright, nothing is fine. I'm running and I'm crying. I'm crying. I'm crying. I'm crying.
Billy and Willie here, and we're back with another AWF episode. And here tonight we got something special for the first ever debut.
What?
Straight off the cold, hard streets of Alaska.
Alaska.
We've got the man. Hold on, let me see his name right here. You know, he's new talent.
Yeah.
Wow, what a name.
What's his name?
You tell me. I know you saw that.
That man's name is the Blizzard Bruiser.
I couldn't even fathom it. I couldn't even say the words, Willie. But we got the what?
The Blizzard Bruiser.
The what?
Straight out of Alaska.
The cold streets. And tonight, be aware, he is dangerous and deadly. And tonight, he's looking to make a mark. What are you laughing at, Willie?
The Blizzard Bruiser. Are you serious?
Listen, I don't make these names.
I got serious news, Billy.
You do?
Yeah, while you playing around,
Oh,
I received word from some AWF officials that they've spoken to Donnie Deep Pockets Low. And we have some breaking news tonight, ladies and gentlemen, that we must reveal at the end of the show.
How are you going to say there's news?
I can't reveal it right now.
But I want to know.
You will hear later.
Can you tell me right now?
Nope, you better stay tuned.
Gosh darn it, you heard him here, folks, though. Stay tuned.
The Blizzard Bruiser. I come from Alaska, and the mountains are full of snow, and I come to beat people up in the AWF. I'm trained in the martial arts, and the associate. I'm coming for you. Let's go!
Introducing first, in his debut, Blizzard Bruiser.
Yeah! Oh!
And his opponent, the associate,
When you're not walking and mine is talking, just stop and listen to what it's saying.
Willie here. Here's our first look at the Blizzard Bruiser. And he's screaming. Oh, go. I think that's what he calls the Blizzard Kick. And he just missed it right there. Too slow. I'll be honest, I don't know anything about this Blizzard Bruiser man except that he is from Alaska. He claims to be trained in the martial arts, but as you can see right there, that kick was awfully slow. But he's got his hands up like a boxer, and he's just going to miss right there. And here comes the associate with a big old clothesline taking the Bruiser down. And, you know, even if this man is trained in martial arts, it's nothing like being in a wrestling ring. I'll tell you what, folks, it's a totally different experience, and I think the Bruiser might be out of his element here as the Associate lands a big old spine buster on him. And he's just getting warmed up, man. He's just getting started. You know, he suffered a loss to Jay the Steel Will, obviously looking to bounce back right here against the Blizzard Bruiser, and he's in full control, and the Bruiser right here with some body shots, he's going to throw him. And, oh, a big old knee right there by the Associate. I'll tell you what, this Bruiser has just been unable to get out of the starting blocks right here. The Associate has been in full control all match. He slowed it down, and look at this. This is move right here by the Associate. Something like a spinning death type maneuver, and he's just going to take the Bruiser down. And I'll tell you something, folks. He could easily count to 1, 2, 3 right here, and the Bruiser would be out. But you see, he's trying to inflict more punishment. If I had to take a guess, he's sending a message to Jay the Steel Will. He's letting him know that I can take out anybody in the AWF. Send him from Alaska. Send him from Timbuktu. They are not going to beat the Associate. This man is poised and ready to go. And I wonder, folks, if this here could also be a message to Donnie Deep Pockets Low, the Associate trying to prove his worth after losing that title match against Jay the Steel Will. You see here another spinning death there by the Associate. And he's going to go for the pin. 1, 2, 3. Easy win right there by the Associate. The Blizzard Bruiser did not impress, folks. I'll tell you what, I don't know who this man is, where he came from, but the Associate was in full control right there. And what's going on? I think I hear some music. Is that what that is? The Associate looking around too. He doesn't know what's going on. Oh, there he is. Jay the Steel Will with his title belt in hand. He's going to go after the Associate. The Associate raining down rights and lefts on him, throwing him to the mat and just knocking him down. And you see the Associate, he got comfortable there after his match with the Bruiser. But Jay the Steel Will's going to get the last laugh, and the Bruiser back to his feet. Oh, my God! Bruiser kick! Bruiser kick! The Blizzard Bruiser just took out our AWF champion. He's going to get in his face and hold the belt. The Blizzard Bruiser, despite losing the match, is going to make a statement.
The Blizzard Bruiser only been in the AWF for 1 day. And the belt is mine! It's mine! I took it from that champion. I don't even know his name. But I Blizzard kicked him! And put him out of his misery. I am the champion of the world! Long live Alaska!
Out of all the things to worry about, first it was Donnie Deep Pockets Low, and it's some Alaskan that wants to come here and make a name for himself where he couldn't even beat the Associate. So what I associate with him is nothing but a loser. He got one lucky kick, and now he wants to claim he's the champ. But you gotta beat me for that belt. Introducing first, the AWF champion, the Blizzard Bruiser.
Yeah! I am the champion of the AWF! Come get it, man!
And his opponent, Jay the Steel Will.
And ladies and gentlemen, Willie back again. And we've had an interesting turn of events right here as the Blizzard Bruiser has hijacked the AWF title belt and is challenging Jay the Steel to get it back from him. Now, the Blizzard Bruiser did not impress in his first match. Oh, he's just disrespecting the belt. I don't like that, folks. I don't like that. Now, the Bruiser did not impress in his match against the Associate, and I don't know what's going to happen in this match with our champion, Jay the Steel, but I would like to apologize. The Bruiser confirmed that his finisher is called the Blizzard Kick. Not the Bruiser Kick, the Blizzard Kick. But I don't know if that's even going to matter, as he just gets spiked on his head right there by Jay the Steel Will. And now Jay the Steel Will charging up, and he's going to throw a knee into the Bruiser. And I'll tell you, the Blizzard Bruiser, man, he's brave. I'll give him that. I don't know if the Alaskan people are a brave kind, but he is brave to come in here and steal the title belt on his first day on the job. But you're seeing the repercussions of that right now. As Jay the Steel Will is going to go to work. And look at this here. Big old choke slam there by Jay the Steel Will. And the Bruiser's already down. And ladies and gentlemen, he might be out. You know, I don't know what to say about this man. He's very brave. He did go after Jay the Steel, go after the title belt, but he's just out of his element right now. You see him throwing the hands up. Oh, a scream! Blizzard Kick! And Jay the Steel Will just shook that off. Now, it knocked him down the first time. I think he might have just been shocked as the Blizzard Bruiser going for it again, and Jay the Steel Will not even taking down to a knee. Oh, man, the Blizzard Bruiser's got to come up with something else here. What's he doing? He's going for it a third time, and oh, Jay's going to catch it, and that might be all she wrote, folks. Big old back suplex there by Jay the Steel. He's going to kick right up. And the Blizzard Bruiser was just taking out 3 Blizzard kicks. No effect. Jay the Steel Will is back in control. And I don't know what's going on with this man right now. Is he begging for mercy or what? I thought he's a trained mixed martial artist, but he's really struggling right now against Jay the Steel Will. Like I said, a lot of bravery of this man. He is tough, and he talked a big talk in his promos. You see him fighting back here with some shots. Some shots in the head, some shots in the body. He's going at Jay the Steel Will, throwing them at a rapid pace. I don't know how much those are landing, but he's off his... Oh, Jay the Steel Will just caught that one. He just caught it. He's putting the Bruiser down. He's just twisting his fingers. The Bruiser down on his knees, and Jay the Steel Will just cranking, not cranking the chin lock, cranking the wrist. And he's just staying on the Blizzard Bruiser right now. He's just not giving him a chance to get back up. He's going to lift him up, and the Bruiser is not looking good right now. Oh, he's fighting. Nope, I lied, ladies and gentlemen. Another back suplex there by Jay the Steel Will to the Bruiser, and he's just out. And Jay the Steel Will is really on top of him right here. He's probably looking to finish this thing off. Yep, you know what this is right here, ladies and gentlemen. Still a set on the Blizzard Bruiser. He's going to cover 1, 2, 3. Easy win there by Jay the Steel Will. Like I said, the Blizzard Bruiser, he's got some courage. And maybe this man will stick around in the AWF, but as of right now, he suffered 2 big losses. He made a statement by stealing the belt, but today was just not his day. Well, maybe he'll go back to Alaska and train or something. Jay the Steel Will, baby.
Ladies and gentlemen, Willie here, and I'm here to bring out Mr. Jay the Steel Will. How you doing, Mr. Steel? Mr. Steel, you successfully defended your title tonight against the Blizzard Bruiser. How are you feeling?
Feeling like this is a joke. Like I'm in a dream that's turned into a nightmare. I'm getting these random competitors plaguing my purity of wrestling. So I'm gonna ask you, how do you feel about what you just saw tonight?
Well, Mr. Steel, you know, sometimes reporters open it up with a question that you can always answer before they ask the hard ones. And before I say this, I just want to say, don't shoot the messenger, okay? You know me, Mr. Steel, right? You know me. I'm a good man. I commentate these matches to provide for my family, and I love the AWF. But as the official messenger for the AWF, I must tell everybody out there, and most importantly you, Mr. Steel, that I talked to some officials who talked to Donnie Deep Pockets Low. And Mr. Deep Pockets announced, and the AWF officials announced, that you are being stripped of that title and it will be vacated, as the associate was not the true #1 contender in the tournament. That spot was for Donnie Lowe. Mr. Steele, I know you must have a lot of emotions going on right now, but please hand over the title. I'm the messenger. Mr. Steele?
Get the cameras out of here. Get the cameras out.
Mr. Steele, Mr. Steele, Mr. Steele.
What do you want?
Look, I just want to apologize for earlier tonight. I did not know that Deep Pockets Donnie Lowe was going to do that. You know I hate that man.
Willie, things are going on in a higher power that you can't even understand. You see, these voices are talking to me. They know what's going to happen before it happens. They said something isn't right when I won the title. And lo and behold, Donnie Deep Pockets Lowe wants to throw his money around, but as soon as he comes back into his business, his body is going to be thrown around and it's going to end up in a body bag. Because my name is Jay the Steel Will, and I bend, but I never break.